Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the Danger Ranger. I'm going to be swapping out the radiator. I think the transmission cooler lines have a leak in them. We're going to bop over to the heater core, swap it out. I know it's clogged. I'm going to be driving it this winter. So let's get it winterized because winter is coming.
And winter is coming.
Got the radiator out. I'm not really sure where I left off, so I'm just kind of picking up here. I'm going to replace the heater core. I'm going to try and flush this motor out. The antifreeze just looks horrible in it. But it still needs a lot of work. One of these days we'll get back on Big Red here. Probably not till spring though. Alright, let's see if we can get this heater core out. Alright, to get to the heater core, pop a few of these things out from under here. And you can get to the box up here. Alright, get those 4 screws out. This will drop down. You can see the heater core up in here. Pop these hoses off. You see just how nasty this is. So let's get that pulled out. That's the antifreeze, and this has been replaced once. Alright, after you get those out, this will just pop right out. There we go. And it's out. Pretty nasty stuff, so we're gonna replace it. Got the new heater core, matches up just fine with the old one here. Should be just fine. All dolled up, ready to go back in. Put her in how you took her out. Alright, there's an alignment down at the back here. Stick it in, shove it up, put the 4 screws. Get the button back up.